Begin in a seated position in a chair with a solid surface. If possible, set the height of the chair so that your feet touch the ground, and ideally, there's a 90-degree angle at the knee. Extend one leg, point and flex the foot, and then circle the foot around the ankle. Switch directions, and then place the heel on the ground and flex the foot towards the shin. With a straight back, hinge forward from the hip, and if that feels good, stay there. If you'd like more, extend your arm and press the palm toward the wall. Change legs, and begin again with the point and flex. Circle the ankle, and then reverse. Drop the heel, flex the foot, and sit up straight. Hinge forward and add the hand if you want it. The more you pull your toe to your shin, the more stretch you'll feel on the back of the leg. Reset the feet. Take the left ankle and cross it over the right knee. If we aren't ready for that, we can cross at the ankle. Flex the foot and place the hand on the knee and press the knee into the hand for a few seconds and then release. Stay with that or sit up straight, brace the hands at the knee and ankle, and pull yourself forward. Same options on the other side, crossing at the ankle or at the knee. Flex the foot to protect the knee, and bringing the knee into the hand rather than pushing the hand down, it will encourage the leg to release gently rather than forcing it by pushing. Sitting up straight as we lift ourselves forward enhances the stretch's effectiveness. Replace the feet directly under the knee. Lift the right arm and C-shape the spine, keeping the bicep over the ear if possible. Hold the bottom of the chair or take the hand across the lap. On the other side, brace the hand onto the bottom of the chair or across the lap. Lifting the arm up and over, bicep over the ear. For a twist, place the right hand on the outside of the left knee and grabbing the bottom or the back of the chair, turn and look over your shoulder. Switch to the other side. And remember to keep the knees steady over the feet. Facing forward, grab the bottom of the chair, roll the shoulders down and back, and lift the chest towards the ceiling. If this feels easy, move the hands further back or onto the back of the chair. Next, we'll stand up and use the chair for balance if necessary. The feet go underneath the hip bones. Grab the ankle and bring the heel to the glute, and you can use a towel or a band to assist if necessary. Squeeze the knees together, lift the elbow, and stand up very straight. On the other side, I'm demonstrating the option where you can lay your foot on a low stool or on the chair if we aren't ready for the full stretch. Take the left heel, extend it forward, and pull the toe in towards the shin. Sit back, push the hips away from the front of the room, and reach forward if you would like a little more stretch. Drop the toe, lift the hips, and straighten the back leg, keeping the spine flat and moving the stretch up the leg. Take the same leg back, resting on the ball of foot, and place the hands at the base of the spine. Roll the shoulders down and back, and push the hips forward, extending the arm if you would like a little bit more. Take the rear foot forward, cross it behind, and then reach up and overhead towards the right side of the room. Think about opening the ribs and pushing the hips towards the left. On the other side, same thing, heel forward, toe up. The more you pull your toe in, the more stretch you get, reaching forward to intensify. Lean forward, dropping the toe, straightening the back and straightening the back leg. Same leg goes back, resting on the ball of foot, brace the hands at the base of the spine, roll the shoulders down and back, and lift the chest. Again, think about squeezing the glutes and rolling the shoulder blades rather than arching the back. Slide that foot up and behind. Extend to the other side, opening the ribs and bringing the ribs closer to the hips on the other side. Bring the hands forward, press as far to the front of the room as you can get, pulling the shoulder blades apart, squeezing the shoulder blades now back, and driving the elbows behind. And I'll show you a couple of different directions here, pulling the shoulder blades away from the spine, reaching the thumbs to the back of the room, and squeezing the shoulder blades together. You can bring the head down and tuck the tailbone if you'd like a little bit more. And as you bring the shoulder blades together, the elbows follow. Returning to the chair, have a seat. Heels go underneath the knees once more. Lift the left arm, place the hand on the back of the neck, grab the elbow, and C-shape the spine. Switching sides, make sure to keep the shoulders relaxed. And just get as close as we can to this movement depending on our level of mobility. I've moved the chair closer so that we can see this a little bit better. And these are our neck stretches. Take the left hand, place it gently on the temple. Bring the ear towards the shoulder, keeping the nose facing forward. Turn the chin towards the collarbone and look down towards the hip. If you would like it, take the right hand and tuck it behind the back and relax the shoulder. Same thing on the other side, grasping the temple, bringing the ear towards the right shoulder, tilting the chin down towards the chest and looking down at the hip. Bring the other hand behind the back. If you'd like a little bit more stretch, relaxing the shoulder. Resetting, looking forward, turn the head fully to the left, and then tilt the chin down towards the collarbone, adding the additional arm if you'd like more intensity. Turning fully to the right, chin down to the chest, tucking the opposite hand down if you would like. Bring the chin towards the chest, rounding out the upper back. Lift the chin towards the ceiling, squeezing the shoulder blades back. Roll the shoulders in both directions, making sure to get full movement through the scapula. Modified forward fold might be just bringing the chin to the chest and rounding out the upper body, putting a little pressure on the back of the head. We can also come forward, first with a flat back, and then once we've gone as far as we can, we let everything relax, especially the head, trying to let the shoulders and the head be as relaxed as possible. If we don't have the mobility, it's absolutely fine to stay up higher and just find that spot where you can relax the head. Returning to a standing position, we have just one more round of stretches here as an alternative to the seated versions. Putting both hands on the back of the chair or on your desk. Extend the arms all the way out, relax the shoulders, and let the head hang between the biceps. Everyone's is going to look a little different depending on where our mobility is. Next, we have various options on the forward fold, coming as far forward as we can, relaxing the back and letting the head hang. We may be up high. We may be able to bring our chest all the way to our legs. If it helps, grasp the elbows with the hands to really give yourself a chance to hang. And if this position is painful but you'd like to stay standing, bring the elbows to the thighs for a little support.